Is that the life-saving Sean? The hero?
The hero? I would do what any kayaker would do.
Still! Hey guys, here's Sean! Hero! Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to Moo Outdoors. Out in the bay today, going for a halibut. I'm out here with TLA. He's kind of behind me and a couple of other buddies. And of course, we're going for halibut. You know, I was cooped up at home for about a month and a half. And then I totally missed the really hot halibut bite that was happening in the bay. So I'm really itching for halibut right now because halibut is my favorite fish to eat. And today, of course, my workhorse, Shimano Trevelas 7-foot medium light with the Daiwa Alexa 300. If you haven't checked out my very simple halibut rigging video, please do. I also got a review video on the rod and the reel, its PFD, and the wetsuit that I'm wearing as well. So please check that out if you haven't yet. And also bait running video. 3 ingredients, super easy. Keep your bait nice and perky all day long. All right, fish on. I'm here. Feels like a heli. I'm on right now. Fish on. All right, feels like a pretty good fish right now. I'm on my top shot, so yep, getting close. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh, it's not that big. It's a keeper, not big, but keeper. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Hey, hey! Hey, feels good. Feels good. Feels good. About 20, 24. Feels good. Yeah. About 24. Maybe 23. It's a keeper for sure. Just a little guy, fought hard. Yeah, when we got to like under 40. 23. 23. 23 incher. Not bad. Let's keeper. Uh-oh. He's on. Is that the Dino Whisperer?
What's up?
Eddie, what are you doing? That's fishing for sturgeon right now.
I am. I'm drifting for sturgeon.
You're drifting for sturgeon? Good to see you, Eddie.
Yes, sir.
Fish on. Fish on. doesn't feel too big. Feels pretty small. Probably another shaker. I was passing the bait ball just now. Yep, little guy. Little guy. Little guy. Tiny little guy. Am I on? Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Fish on! Fish on! Yeah, buddy. Feels small though. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, feels pretty small. Maybe. I'm not gonna net it. When you are landing and releasing an undersized halibut, you don't want to use a net like this with large holes. So when the halibut flops around in the net like this, they split their tail, which will lead to tail rot, and most likely they will die from the infection. So unless I know for sure it's a keeper, I do not use a net. I simply grab the line, bring the halibut in, and put the halibut between my knees, remove the hook, and safely release the halibut. Sometimes it's inevitable, but I don't like my halibut to flop around on the deck of my kayak either, because there are many edgy points on deck of the kayak, including the pedal drive. Another way of safely releasing the halibut is simply shaking it off on the side of the kayak, but I often have trouble shaking it off because of the treble hook, so I like to use my between the knee technique. Questionable. Relax, buddy. Yeah, just got a shaker.
I got a shaker too, 22 right on the dot. Throw it back.
21 and a half. Yeah, my guy was a 21 and a half.
Check it to shaker land, bro.
People told me that using a catch and release net like this with 5 mesh, rubber coating, and flat bottom works great for landing and safely releasing undersized halibut. So I'm going to try next time when I'm on the water. I will also bring out my gaff to land keepers. This is a beautiful gaff made by Con Customs. He makes custom gaffs like this and custom rods as well. I don't really have much experience with gaffing, but I think I should practice a little more, especially when I have an awesome gaff like this. So you will see me with this net and with this gaff when I'm on the water next time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and go outside and enjoy the outdoors.